What's up, guys and gals? Welcome back. Getting sharp cut lines can be difficult for some without using tape, but there's a secret to getting those perfect edge lines not too many DIYers know about. Here I'm using a 2-inch angled brush. Purdy or Wooster works best. How you hold the brush makes a big difference. I place my pointer finger at the top of the brush and my thumb along the side. I let the rest of my fingers fall across the other side. Use whatever method works best for you. Dip the brush no more than 1/4 inch in your paint. Take the angle edge of your brush and gently sit it on the top of the baseboards, and slowly and gently draw a line. That's it. It takes a little practice, but with a few tries it becomes a breeze. Having this skill in your bag really separates you from the rest. Thanks for watching. If you got anything from today's video, please consider hitting the like and subscribe button. It helps the channel grow. Until next time, peace and happy painting.